There is a humongous Smallie thick on this bed right up here. I'm gonna give her a go here. Let's see what the story is with this one. Creeping up here perfectly. Looks good anyway from here. Take it. Ooh. Somebody bit it, I think. Look at that. This fish, I hope, is going to be super aggressive. Let's see if we can get her to go here. Oh, she's facing it already. Ooh. Dude, nice. She did not want that in her bed, and we got her. Another nice Smallie. All right. Oop, there's the other one. There's another nice one. Let's get this in a little bit more. We'll get a release on this one. Oh, look at this beautiful fish. Look at the size of that one. That's a nice fish. Another nice one. Okay, thank you for the bite. Pound and change, nothing crazy, but what a beautiful smallmouth. Thank you so much for the bite. You can go back to your bed, dude. That seems to be the key right now. The smallmouths seem to be way more aggressive than the largemouths. So if I can find the beds with the Smallies, that seems like the way to go. Hey, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and if you like the videos, throw me a like and a comment. Would love to hear what you have to say. Thanks.